Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can help you become fluent in English faster than ever before. You might be wondering how ChatGPT can improve your speaking skills, whether it can help you learn grammar without boring textbooks, or what the best way is to practice daily conversations with AI. You may also want to know how to get instant feedback on your mistakes. If ChatGPT can customize lessons based on your level, and how to stay motivated while using this tool. If you want to understand this step by step and truly unlock your English fluency, watch this video until the very end. Don't skip any part, or you might miss something important. Step 1 is to identify your current English level. Before starting any learning journey, it's important to know your starting point. With ChatGPT, it's easy to assess your English level. Just say, "Please assess my English level" through a short conversation. ChatGPT will talk to you, analyze your grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and confidence. And after a few questions, it will tell you whether you are at a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. Step 2 is to build your vocabulary daily. Vocabulary is the foundation of any language. Without enough words, you can't express ideas or understand others. ChatGPT helps you grow your vocabulary step by step. You can ask, "Give me 5 new English words with meanings, pronunciation tips, and example sentences." And then say, "Quiz me on these words." You can also request specific themes like travel vocabulary, business vocabulary, emotions and feelings, or technology-related words. Step 3 is to practice speaking English with ChatGPT. Fluency comes from speaking regularly, and ChatGPT is your judgment, free conversation partner available anytime. Say, "Let's have a daily 10-minute conversation on different topics," and ask it to correct your mistakes and explain how to improve. Over time, you'll speak more clearly, confidently, and fluently. Step 4 is to learn grammar in a simple way. Ask ChatGPT to explain concepts like the present perfect tense with examples, then follow up with, "Now quiz me on it." Regular practice helps you absorb grammar naturally without stress. You can also request a full grammar course covering topics like the 12 tenses, passive versus active voice, articles and prepositions, conditionals, and reported speech. Step 5 is to practice writing. Writing improves your clarity and accuracy. Try writing a paragraph daily and ask ChatGPT to correct your writing and explain the changes. Topic ideas include describing your dream job, sharing a personal success story, giving your opinion on a trending topic, or talking about a festival or event in your city. Step 6 focuses on improving listening and reading. Ask ChatGPT for a short English story with a vocabulary list and comprehension questions, or request an English article for beginners. You can copy the story into a text-to-speech app or listen directly if audio is enabled, then answer the questions to test your understanding. Step 7 is to learn through sentence construction. Ask ChatGPT to give you a sentence and challenge you to rewrite it in different forms, such as past tense, future tense, or passive voice. For example, the base sentence, "She goes to school," can be changed to, "She went to school," "She will go to school," or "School is attended by her." This sharpens your grammar and builds sentence variety. Step 8 is to learn pronunciation. Say, "How do I pronounce this word?" You can also request a phonetic guide, common pronunciation mistakes, British versus American pronunciation differences, or tongue twisters for fluency. Step 9 is to make a daily English learning routine. Say, create a 30-minute daily English routine. A sample routine might include 5 minutes learning new words, 5 minutes reading a short article, 5 minutes practicing grammar, 10 minutes speaking with corrections, and 5 minutes writing practice. You can ask for routines based on your goals, such as speaking, job preparation, or academic English. Step 10 is to practice real-life situations through role play, which builds confidence. Say, let's role play. You're a bank manager and I want to open an account. Other useful role plays include ordering at a restaurant, visiting a doctor, hotel check-in, giving directions, or making a complaint in a store. Step 11 is to get daily feedback and motivation. Ask ChatGPT to give you a daily English challenge and test you the next day. You can also request motivational quotes, proverb explanations, and inspiring success stories to keep you focused and energized. Step 12 is to use smart follow-ups. Make the most of ChatGPT with questions like, track my English learning progress weekly. Create a vocabulary list based on my mistakes. Teach me advanced vocabulary for business. Or simulate a job interview for a tech company. Over time, ChatGPT becomes your personal English coach tailored to your needs. Weeks 1 to 4 focus on foundation skills, learning 10 words daily, mastering basic grammar, speaking for 10 minutes daily, listening to a short story, and writing a paragraph each day. Weeks 5 to 8 focus on expansion learning idioms and phrasal verbs, role, playing real, life situations, watching English videos with subtitles, recording speaking practice, and retelling short stories. Weeks 9 to 12 focus on advanced fluency, business and formal English, delivering 2-minute speeches, practicing debating, writing 3 essays per week, and joining live discussions or mock interviews. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with your feedback. It really helps me improve and serve you better. See you in the next video.